Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours, then apply to the YouTube Partner Program. Once done, link a verified AdSense account and complete tax and payment details so you can receive earnings. Make sure two-step verification is on and your channel branding is consistent to avoid review delays. You're doing this to unlock ads and revenue reporting. These initial steps turn views into payable impressions quickly and securely. You need to optimize each upload so ads can run and pay well. Start by crafting precise titles, descriptions, and tags that match viewer intent. That increases watch time and ad matching. Next, choose ad formats. Enable mid-rolls for videos longer than 8 minutes to boost RPM. Also, follow advertiser-friendly content policies. Otherwise, your video may be limited or demonetized. By optimizing metadata and format choices, you improve fill rates and CPM, which directly increases your ad revenue. You finish by monitoring performance. Check RPM, CPM, and playback-based CPM in analytics to see what pays. Once you spot low revenue, experiment with video length, mid-roll placement, and upload cadence to raise watch time. If a video gets demonetized, appeal with clear timestamps and context. If payments stop, recheck AdSense linkage and payout thresholds. One key troubleshooting tip: when earnings drop suddenly, review copyright claims and ad restrictions first, because those immediately block monetization and are often reversible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.